Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Folk CRM and Attio. In order to do so, here we are at folk.app and we're also at attio.com. And let's check in with Cider AI in order to do a comparison. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time, and you get access to some of the top models out there. According to Cider, both Folk CRM and Attio are modern customer relationship management tools designed to streamline relationship management, but they focus on different strengths and features. Here's a quick comparison. Folk CRM is focused on relationship building, especially for personal, professional, and network management. Its key features include contact management, relationship mapping, activity tracking, and customized relationship stories. It's best for individuals and teams looking for a relationship-centric CRM that emphasizes context and personal connections over sales pipelines. Its design philosophy is intuitive, relationship-based, with easy visualizations of your networks. Attio, on the other hand, is focused on a modern, flexible CRM suited for sales, customer success, and operational teams. Its key features include customizable workflows, integrations, data automation, and collaborative tools and pipeline management. It's best for SaaS teams and businesses seeking a customizable, developer-friendly platform adaptable to various workflows. Its design philosophy is it's modular, flexible, API-first with emphasis on integrations and automation. In summary, choose Folk if your main goal is nurturing personal and professional relationships with a strong emphasis on context. Choose Attio if you are looking for a customizable, scalable CRM that supports sales, customer success, and workflow automation. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.